On a quest to find a portable media player for my kids that I could use in my vehicle, I finally stumbled across this outstanding product. After purchasing two other portable media players and both being defective and having to be returned, I discovered the Naviscato 10.1-inch digital media screen. The first thing that stood out was the brilliantly designed adapter bracket used to attach the media player to the headrest. Unlike the cheap straps that the other media players used, this design included an adapter bracket that easily snapped onto the headrest posts and did not obstruct the actual headrest for the front seat passenger or driver. The screen then easily attached to the adapter bracket, providing a clean look. I also liked how easily it could be removed and reattached to the bracket in event the screen needed to be taken out for any reason. It also allowed the ability to vertically tilt the screen for optimal viewing. In conclusion, I would rate the Naviscato 10.1-inch portable media player 5 out of 5 stars. You simply will not find a better quality product with more features and in this price range. My only criticism of this product is that the unit's built-in loudspeakers are not loud enough, even when the volume is maxed out. I only mention this because my child is too young to want to use headphones, and rather than play the audio through my vehicle speakers, I like to listen to native audio sources in the front of my vehicle while my child is watching a movie in the back. Between my native audio signal and road and wind noise, the speakers on this player were not quite loud enough. That is a minor gripe that will change when my child is older and will prefer to use headphones. Finally, this product is such an outstanding value that I will be purchasing a second unit for my youngest child once they are old enough to utilize it in about a year. Check the link on the description below for more info.